Welcome to the EMS Value Add Shop,
where we go beyond raw materials to deliver precision, quality, and unmatched aluminum solutions to our customers. At EMS, we specialize in in-house CNC precision machining, fabrication, saw cutting, welding, bending, shearing, and punching. Our 5-axis CNC machining capabilities allow us to handle long extrusions up to 36 feet, ensuring precision and versatility for any project. We also offer polishing services as a secondary operation, complementing our bright dip anodizing services. Need reverse engineering? Send us your customer's parts or drawings for a free quote. It's another way we set ourselves apart from the competition. We are not just a machine shop, we are a value add shop. We process work that helps you sell more pounds of aluminum and builds loyalty with your customers. Our Emoji and Onsrid machines set us apart from our competitors, delivering superior results every time. We proudly serve diverse industries including, but not limited to, architectural, marine, fence and railing, pool and patio. Our FabShop is equipped with multiple pieces of CNC machinery, including saws, milling machines, lathes, 5-axis long bed milling machines. We have MIG and TIG welding services, aluminum and stainless polishing services, anodizing services for regular, bright dip, or hard coat. We are even able to custom kit jobs tailored specifically for your customers' needs.